What's up, guys? Welcome to one more lesson. I'm very glad to see that you are continuing your development in English towards fluency, and now, in this specific case, enriching and expanding your skills to talk about the future in English. In this lesson, guys, we will learn an incredibly important lesson. If you have questions, feel comfortable to watch this lesson repeated times, okay? Take notes because you will learn an incredibly versatile and important structure. That is the going to, okay, guys? Going to talks about the future, okay? And first, let's see when we use it. The uses of going to. First one, guys, is for future prediction, but differently from what we have seen with will, that will is a prediction for the future without evidence. Going to is this prediction based on evidence. So you have some specific information, some specific fact that you observed, and this is influencing your decision. For example, the sky is very black. It's going to rain. So I see that the sky is very black, it's very dark. So this is a very clear evidence that it's going to rain, and it's going to rain hard. Okay. I dropped my company's laptop. My boss isn't going to be very happy. So now, in this case, the evidence that I have is the fact that the laptop is broken, or that I dropped it. I saw myself dropping it. So I know that the laptop is not working correctly. And because of this factual, objective evidence, I know that my boss isn't going to be happy, right? It's not simply that I think like will. I know that's not going to be good, right? That I'm going to have problems. Second case that we use going to is to describe plans and intentions to do something, right? So we have an intention, we have a plan. We are going to travel this semester, and he got his promotion. He's going to buy a new car. So these guys, this plan, this intention, it's not spontaneous decision, right? It's not an instantaneous decision that I'm doing right now, that I'm taking right now. When I say we are going to travel this semester, this is a plan that before the moment of speaking, I created. So maybe I already have the tickets, I am organizing my suitcase and my agenda so that I can travel, because I am going to travel, right? Something more organized, is something better planned. It's not I will travel in this, I decided now to travel, right? I'm going to travel. And then if we remember the examples that we have seen in our first lesson of will, that there were two people talking, and one said to the other, "We are without bread." And then the other said, "Oh, okay, really? So I will buy some." That's an instantaneous decision. We use will. And with going to, we could say, imagine using this same example. Person A said, "We are without bread." And then the other said, "Yes, I know. I'm going to buy bread after work." This means a plan before the moment of speaking, right? So it's not an instantaneous decision. And then, guys, let's see now the form of going to. We have the subject, the verb to be, right? I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are, verb to be, plus the going to. Okay, so always with going to, we need the verb to be. You can see here, it is going to rain. It, the subject, is verb to be, going to rain. So going to needs the verb to be. My boss isn't going to be, that's the negative, which we will see in better details in our next discussion. We are going to travel, right? So I cannot say we going to travel. We are going to travel. And he is going to buy the new car. So he is going to buy. You see the verb to be there, all the examples we needed. We need it. So we have the subject, verb to be, going to, and then the base form of the verb. I am going to read a book. You are going to read a book. He is going to read a book. She is going to read a book. It is going to read a book. We are going to read a book, and they are going to read a book. So you see the subject, the verb to be, and then going to, and then the verb. I am going to read. And then, guys, to conclude this discussion, just know that going to is very commonly contracted to gonna. So instead of saying I am going to travel, very commonly we say I'm gonna travel. Instead of saying she's going to study, we contract that she's gonna study. So if we return to the previous examples and contract going to for gonna, we could say the sky is very black. It's gonna rain. My boss isn't gonna be very happy. My boss isn't gonna be very happy. We are gonna travel this semester and he's gonna buy a new car. Okay, so you see the going to contracted for gonna. All right, guys, so this is the use of going to. I hope that you have learned a lot. If you have enjoyed this lesson and you are enjoying this course, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. It helps this high quality material to get to other people. See you on our next discussion.